Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing and relocating machines in VendSoft. First, let's tackle installing a machine at a location. This is essential before the machine can be included in trips and service visits. Start by heading to the Location screen in VendSoft and select your desired location. Navigate to the Machines tab and click the Install Machine button. Choose from the list of machines that aren't currently installed elsewhere, set the installation date, and hit the Save button. For moving a machine to a new location, begin at the machine's current location. Under the Machines tab, click the Uninstall Machine icon. Set the removal date and confirm by pressing the Uninstall Machine button. Then, proceed to the new location, access the Machines tab, and click the Install Machine button to finalize the relocation. Remember, you can track all machine movements through the Machine Movement Report found on the Reports screen. Thanks for watching.